over here, son. I share the live. May I multitask? Thank you, son. So the next thing I did. Oh, that's yours. Nice. So set up. You still have set up the music for me? Thank you. Ocha. What go on? What over here, sir? Go on with it. Wanna miss me? I didn't connect to Alexa. Alexa? I put Alexa there. Oh, Jesus. What can't do with her? Look if it's there. Alexa. She can't answer. That's a, like Alexa hungry. That's weird. Me say my finger there, my bare eyes, me just go do my nails and come in. Me say, me for talk because he has done something to my phone. Watch me, I go show you. Training for life, TJ. JT, how that? How that, TJ? Training for life. Six. Upright, TJ. What the fuck does that mean, fam? Morning, auntie, love you. How would that mean? Happy New Year. Radam 3758. You find it? That's good. It's not underneath there. Look if it there, move the curtain. Wow. So what the rest them do with it? No much see it them one night. Okay. I look mad out because I'm not on the cockroach eyelash in my ass here. So you can't be natural again and can't be yourself. So I have to impress and I go put on birds of paint on my face. Eyelashes, I stick up my rascal eye on top of age I have already and can't see much. And ask here for please, you know. I look fit escape. So I can't be my natural self. So my mother because I have my natural afro. Wow, you so life good. Look, you look good, my friend. Thank you, Monty. Monty. How much me need for car? The line of fuck off. I buy nothing. Leave me and my car alone. This is interrupt live. It's a cut out. Wait, keeps going on yeah. TikTok. Winston, you say, man, it's alright, Eske, thank you. Natural look at the best. No man, blood clot, them I no care about myself. Remember, my all purpose is a purpose. Clothes I make blood clots. Me. This is my natural me. My face, my eye, my skin, my eyelash, my eyebrow, my lip. Well, the teeth them by. Borrow by teeth. Ah, ah. But this is naturally me. So what the fuck is saying that? I must come here, come goof out. You know. I'm tired of the ass clot here. See my head there? Move on a blood clot. Yeah. My love Queenie. Fuck off, I leave me alone with my natural hair. Like, you know, you see me look like a ass clot impressionist. Anybody may impress myself. When I could have deal to my ass clot. From I don't feel it, I'm not having it. I'm tired of the bumper brush, blood clot, scratching at the wig, where's something in the glue, tear off the wall of your earline. Fuck that. Leave me, let me breathe out my nice, pretty ear. Look come here pretty and nice and soft. Oh, me look mad out. I bet you if my ear just a take me now, I put our ear for me. Man get Bella now and Bella put her Jesus Christ, I feel dumb. Monte, what happened? I don't know what ears to the phone. Every time I talk, it just jump out. Love you. I love your shoulder. My shoulder, you love here? What does that mean? I love your shoulder and a shoulder that. SHOUL. You love my shoulder? That's weird. But thanks for the shoulder compliment. No one ever compliment me telling me that they love my shoulder. That's different. What is it? A shoulder do? A shoulder, she said. Okay. Shoulder move, make it do the shoulder move, shoulder move, make it do the shoulder move, shoulder move, way. Let me see if I read right. What she said, I love your shoulder. Yes, it is. See, Grand Carlos sale. Where I sell? I first me hear somebody. Yeah, me hear a breed. Remember my hot girl, I tell them all the while say me that different type of hot girl. Everything make my hot. If my type would have me just that hot girl. Hmm. Yeah. All purpose. Roots. Yeah. Rastafari. Ever living ever faithful. Oh, man, no cry. Dum, dum, dum. No, woman, no cry. No, Queenie, no cry. Damn, tap. Look how my ear nice and a foolie. Do this and beat me. My ear soft and nicey. And a foolie. Happy. Who listen to the video I'm doing? I say, Happy New Year. Me not like, me love Queenie. Millie J. Sue. Wasu. Queenie, look. She ain't got give you what? I would say, I would have asked me. I would tell them not to forgive me. Me not forgive them. Yeah, man, go and go look for Mary, man. And I say, Mary in love. I want she got married there now. That's she's got to go and get the white dress, Mary, and go get married. Delicious, your shoulder, your arms, your body. Me blood clot. Let me see if I can wine. What you say? Delicious, your shoulder. Somebody said, my shoulder, delicious. Your shoulder, your arms, and your... Why? Lush dish. I am your lush dish, and if you take this life, it's metal set a cut out. Yeah, that sunshine slab. Hello, Rachel Thomas. You still got nice, great. All right, listen. Man, 55. I'm poor, but send me some money. Oh, I'm married. I forgot to ask my love. You know, see that the girl had a romance and love, and she there in the Paradise, Jamaica. She had plus tax. UK dancehall celebrity. What's up, nice girl? Big up yourself, T. I love your body. Bomba clat. Number one wife for the man. Same love my shoulder, my arms, and my body. Nobody in this entire world ever. What do you like to cook? Anything, everything. We can't cook it all, so. Me not cook again. From my picnic bed, me top cook. What that? Me like to cook anything. Just put me to the motherfucking cooking test. Just put me to the motherfucking cooking test. Wash your cookie, clean it, queenie is in. Wash your cookie, queen. Me can wash, me can cook, me can clean. Wash your cookie, Queenie. Wash your cookie, Queenie. Wash it. I'm stuck. She's stuck. Queenie says she broke. Yo, fam. Big body man. Love when you got money. Big body boy. Happy New Year. Your complexion nice. I love your chocolate skin. My God, you love my chocolate skin. Yes, fam. What are you speaking for? What are you twanging for, though, fam? No, I'm not twanging. I'm interested. Yeah. Now the New Year. Say your pussy clean. Say your pussy fat. UK dancer, celebrity clean fat pussy tire. Say your pussy clean. Say your pussy. Say you never said it. Yeah, girl, what? Say the man I love to get a lot of that. Never say your juice is like a so what's up. When I see a picture, them are double tap. UK celebrity. Mama listen. You are with work. Big booty man. I hear a song for true. Tell them no man say you stream it. So 2025, we're still alive and a strive. Yeah. I'm excited, you know. Yeah, double tap I got them spot. Big body man. Love when you got enough money, man. Big body boy. Love when you got enough money, boy. Bumper clout, delicious lips. So my shoulder was delicious. My arms and my body. Now it's my lip. Mm. Thank you, baby. Ooh. Oh, my nigga, Freedom Street. Where bones are not provided, dogs are not invited. Come, puppy. Them not ready for me. Next year, I'm good already. Maybe the year after. But nobody remember me. They don't remember me. They don't remember. They don't remember me. Some pussy clean, some pussy fat. Some pussy can't get what. Some man left the janitor that. I want me to know. Uh, are you do them something? Who get this? Who get the notification? It's all under the dust me a while ago. Price will go up, make them. Make them move. Winston are true. Make them move them dirty blood clot. You go damn about the car. They'll have to leave at the car. You know, me not believe it can all that trouble me. Yeah, with Freedom Street though. What a success. It was a success. And with all due fairness, when my man just come out just couple months and not even a year good, you know. So I'm not so keen. For that prison 13, cartel still not even understand 3/4 hour ago and same way. Because the place feel weird when you come from prison. True, you know. The longest summer do a prison was what? I get 11 months. Mm-hmm. How much I spend? Not even remember, you know. 11 months. He said, I come out, the place feel weird and play double tap in the club. Ah! I lie. Which one I club? Seven pussy. Alexa. No, no, the pin of them do it, my Alexa. What the rascal? The pin of them do it, my something. Me never see this. Daytona Beach, a lie. Come to Daytona Beach. Where is Daytona Beach again? I done 13. One. I done 13 year behind door. Which side? Listen, the show was a great success and it put Jamaica on the map big time. You know, we're just coming out busy with my lava motor. Some you know, so fly down for cartel. Yeah, yacht come to, you know, submarine. Honestly, the whole we're playing flying something name again. Yeah, what them name? Jet? Right. No. With our little island trace, with a little app man with flower. So it's me just help take all I glory come here, woman cartel. So it's even though me never did it, I feel so glorified. Oh, who this? Sean what, man? I know Sean. A sharp shooter. Sharp shooter wide inside to the queen. It's gonna be wireless this year. Me just attack. Me attack about Freedom Street. The name. Mr. Why you not call to me? That's rude. Me never hear. True me. A shame. Me move a bumbo class. Are you see about Okay, but believe your man. Believe, I true me I do too much things at the same time. You want to see the art of stupid cat? Every minute me and the cat cuss, but now like the cat keep me. All right. Oh, should you have it up on your page now? All right, nice boy. Bless up yourself. Make a play match. Yeah. Yes. It's who this a call to me. Yeah, minute that's something I jump in. This is so annoying. And not even the sense my call them up. Them mama. Yeah, on the top of the screen and share the live, please, and thanks. Yeah. May I multitask. Tap up the screen and share the live. I don't do beggy TikTok as Queenie was. Delana, Delana, where have you been? I haven't seen you for a hot minute. We can't believe my grandbaby them do this to the phone. Not even them. Yes. Hey, 5 o'clock. Hey, to God be the glory. My classmate, 5 o'clock. He is on my Instagram, TikTok. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Seafood Fridays. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Each and every Friday. So London, UK. Each and every Friday. If you want seafood, just go to 5 o'clock. Top, double top, cause you know some hot. Listen, me nice, you know, son. Wanna just go and play the game over there and tap. Me I do 100 something at the same time. I multitask. Over here so now. Winston, what happened? Oh, you mean a different story. Mash the work. He was here 2 days ago. Mash now let me out that little ras. Time the phone for do the little something so. Me get fed up. Me not have no patience for no fight something them. Let's speed, you know. I mean, it's a crazy. Me nah lie. Me don't know them a cuss me about me here a while ago. Them fooly look at me here nice. Me just feel good. Alright, me don't visit the world and them woman. No, no. What name? No lights in my head. The anion glue. The thread with them put in it. Oh, I'm just nice. Crazy. UK dancehall celebrity live and the Queen live say yes, cause we're blessed girl power. We are shower every hour. Give God thanks to 2025. We're alive and a strive. Ray. but say, them can't go natural. Them are idiot. Them born in a wig and eyelash and them something. Them are idiot. Them can't chat to me. Little, oh God. Oh, no, see, You like me ear Wi-Fi? Listen, the phone black out, the internet black there. That's what me I black out every minute. Me I tell her when I wanna tell me if it black out. I mean I know what ears put on the phone. Every minute wants some different game and advertise. What's some name? Advertisement. You look beautiful. Queen. Good morning, the Queen of Jamaica. Bad girl Mika, clean fat pussy, bad girl Mika. Oh no, did see it black out a while ago? Queen so popcorn, grits, cut off in. No, lied. Him grits scatter. I trick me. That would be so nice. Queenie, you see how popcorn greed scatter for the new year. No, me not see that. I truth. Don't trick me no car. Delana always a only for trouble in. I true, Winston. Me pull up my ear. Then my ear. Go my ear nice. So, ah. Look, me not even have grey ear to pussy clot. Jelly, where you over here? I don't have to over to that trouble me. You see? I tell you, I love you, love me now. Where you over here? Fuck a British one. Once about scatter, can me big and bad and beautiful, no bomber pussy blood clot. Remember when everybody used to trouble me now? And my time for trouble. Anybody want more want trouble? Once about popcorn now. Scatter now. Them make up for two. Cleaning no make them mix up. But that would be nice if they make up for two. Cause I mean the music business really. Everybody done all of them out tonight, chew on it, get J's wash out them mouth, get cursing and light up them mouth. Oh my darling, Jelly Shelly, 69. You want me the 69? Jelly Shelly, baby, the 69 to my bumper class. 69, up and down, 69. I'm up there, you down there. I'm up there, you down there. 60. No popcorn, give him a new ear. What that? Talk your mother. What that mean? What, what do you mean by that? Queen, they say you and Amari blighted thing for true. Well, we're bad na blood clot. That's all we know. A beer badness back of that with me, Amari. So if I blighted, skited, or mighted, we still did. Popcorn and popcorn and scatter a car pum pum feelings. Good pussy shy, ice regalish. Shana, say your pussy clean and fat. I want pat you on that. Hi, hi. Say your pussy clean, say your pussy fat. Hi, Shana. Say, scatter and popcorn a war over that. No, but popcorn, you know, you're getting fucked. Why? Why that's sweet, me? Someone two man fight over me. I see. I want that fit sweet. I should have one side of trimmer. I shall a pat your clean fat pussy and know say a pussy power, girl power. You mean pussy on the world, them beside them never thump up them mother. Men a mix up of the facts. I want them everybody attacks him. I don't know mix up. But just I give my review upon it like footer. Remember footer love give review. So me I follow back up I give review. And be mother. Right now, footer supposed to you want to carve up and take. Are you a baby daddy? Baby daddy. I shall take off the panty. She'll need to scatter. She give popcorn some. But you know the pussy now done. Watch it out, turn it down. Every man welcome. Eh. Whoa! 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 They not like me. Escada, please, son. No, Escada, I forgot to do a little review for mommy. Escada, what the little run something could I do? Come here now. Do that for me now, man. What should I do? Somebody just asked me for this stupid cat. Luna! Come, Luna! Hey, use the phone light. That's weird.
Let me see she had. I put it in her. But I don't know.
The kids them did have it.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. All right, me not have no time for that. Use the phone light and look. And you move the burden. Liquor at it. Liquor at it and shine that shit. They're not supposed to powerful, man. Pussy and cocky can't tear me. And today and yesterday, now gonna be the first and the last. And so pussy and cocky mix up. Pussy and cocky always in a fever. Who you know want for fuck always a fuck. And who you want for fuck don't want fuck. Fucking is just at the moment of the person at the feelings. There's nothing we can do about it. Yes, baby, you see?
It's underneath here.
Now Luna put it on at the man.
Luna.
All right, put it them. All right, get it for me. I talk about cocky and pussy now. Don't try that son. Queenie now look fine. How trouble me? How me now look fine? Go eat. Oh, what going over here, son?
Yeah, that's his hair, son.
No, sir. You have to pick somebody different, Delana. And Delana not care my back down that the money will run Delana. Delana, I'm break Rockstone again. No. Delana, you have to pick somebody else. Delana, no, mama pussy blood clot to me, that Delana. What you just said? I mean, I get 5% of the royalty, but you can't. I want to go on number one, I see.
What's the school on BC? Alexa.
Yeah. Johnny is Alexa.
Today.
Me not bother with it no cussing, because I can't bother to reach for that. What is about chat? Pussy can't done. Me telling you what I go. I see them all pussy they want to talk about who all. Them all pussy they can't done. And them now make back again. Them pussy where I make now a China made pussy, you see. I come in lovely today. Shelly, Shelly, what going over here, sir? What? Hey, girl, what you mean by you gonna leave? That's rude. I not say hi to me. But you have to say, Queenie! So, listen, man. Woman between women are the greatest, and we women like to sit down and discriminate other women when we are not in other woman position. Thank you, Nicole. But each to them own. As me say, when you are blowing our man ears, our man are blowing your ears. And them a take them nose and a trick you and something. You know, busy the world and them blood clot, mama, what them want to access. So you could have write, you could have asked me, I could have give my opinion. If Shauna Chin wanna bomb and lick her daddy cocky, she's gonna I'm not quite boom, sure how to help you with that. Boom, boom, lick her daddy, lick her daddy, boom, boom. Load the blood clot, girl, I want life shove. If she want to take the gully, the Gaza, bad she blood clot, bad girl power, me say, me not helping no chatter, leave her. China sex in the blood clot. Try what it takes. Wriggle me diggle, wriggle me that. Guess me this wriggle and perhaps. Next! It's not every woman